In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable Internet Explorer mode on Microsoft Edge. So first of all, launch open Microsoft Edge. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now what you have to do is go to the Edge settings. For that, click on the three dots that you can see at the top of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for settings and click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, default browser, that you can see at fifth. Now you'll be able to access the settings related with default browser. Now over here you'll be able to find this section for Internet Explorer compatibility. Right over here you can see this option, allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. So if you want to enable it, what you have to do is allow it. Simply click on the option that is selected right now. Now make sure to click on this option, allow. Now the Internet Explorer mode will be allowed. So like this, you'll be able to enable the IE mode. So that is how you enable Internet Explorer mode in Microsoft Edge. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.